In today's video, I want to show you how to share Telegram channel link. To share the Telegram channel link, it's very simple. The first thing you want to do, you want to open up your Telegram. So let's open up my Telegram here. As you can see, this is my Telegram account. So to share any channel link, what are you going to do? You want to open up the channel that you want to share. Let's say we want to share this channel link. We have successfully opened up one channel. Then you want to go to the profile of this channel by tapping on the profile at the top right corner, or just tap on the name of this profile at the top. Once you tap on that, it will load up the profile of this channel. So what you want to do, if you look closely here at the middle, you are going to see where it says share link. You want to tap on that share link. So once you tap on the share link, it will show you this. What you want to do, just want to tap on share QR code. So tap on that. You can share QR code or you can share the link. But to share the link, just tap on share link. Once you tap on share link, it will ask you to where do you want to share it to? Do you want to share it to WhatsApp, to anywhere, or you can just copy this link. Just tap on copy link and this link will be copied successfully. So you can just go to wherever you want to share it to and go and paste the link over there. So guys, this is how you can actually share a link on Telegram channel. So guys, I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.